If Firefox is acting slow, freezing, crashing, or just not working the way it should, one of the quickest fixes is to reset it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Firefox step by step so you can refresh the browser and get it back to a cleaner, more stable state. This is a simple process, and it can help solve a lot of common browser problems without needing to reinstall everything manually. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open the main Firefox menu. From there, move down and click Help. This will open the Help menu, where you can find additional support and troubleshooting options. In the Help menu, select More Troubleshooting Information. This is the page where Firefox provides tools for fixing common issues and restoring browser performance. Once the Troubleshooting Information page opens, look for the Refresh Firefox option. Click Refresh Firefox to begin the reset process. Firefox will now ask you to confirm that you want to refresh the browser. This step is important because it will remove certain custom settings, extensions, and changes that may be causing problems while keeping your important information like bookmarks and safe passwords in most cases. Confirm the action, and Firefox will start the refresh process automatically. Wait a moment while Firefox resets itself. Depending on your system, this may only take a short time. When it finishes, Firefox will restart with a clean refresh setup. After that, you can sign back in, restore any needed extensions, and continue browsing with a fresh start. And that's it. You've successfully reset Firefox. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple fix like this. 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.